Now, fresh from a listening session with this new headphone, I can finally sit down and write a review. Retailing for a cool $399, the HP70 boasts Bluetooth, NFC, active noise cancellation, and NAD's own room feel technology. But how does it sound? I rarely cover Bluetooth headphones, mostly because their wired counterparts usually sound better for less money. Still, it's hard to ignore Bluetooth phones' booming popularity, so when NAD offered a sample of its VISO HP70 noise-canceling Bluetooth headphone, I agreed to take a listen. After all, its VISO HP50 headphone sounds awfully good. It's really one of the best wired headphones I've heard for $249. How would the HP70 compare? It retails for $399 in the US, £299 in the UK, and $599 in Australia. The two headphones look similar, but the HP70's matte finished ear cups lend an elegant air to the design, and the HP70's headband is slightly more amply padded. It's a full-size, over-the-ear headphone with 40mm drivers, a solidly built piece of work. Both NAD headphones are nice and comfy, but the HP50 is lighter, just 8 ounces, 226 grams, compared with the 11.3 ounce, 320G, HP70. It's a difference you can feel on your head. HP70 features Bluetooth aptX, upping the potential for truly high sound quality over a wireless connection, but sadly, Apple doesn't include aptX on iPhones. NAD claims a fully charged HP70 will play for about 15 hours. After that, the HP70 can be used as a wired headphone, if your smartphone has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Even without turning on the noise cancelling, the HP70's plush ear pads block out a good amount of noise. I like that the inside of the ear cups are labeled with a large R or L, so it's easy to tell the right from the left channels, even in low light. The HP70's listen-through mode allows the user to listen to the outside world or answer a call. The headphones fold flat for storage in their zippered faux leather carry case. The HP70 is a rather full-sounding headphone, and maybe a little too rich for my taste. The HP50 sounds more neutral, while the HP70 pumps out more bass, and its mid-range sounded veiled by comparison on Andrew Bird's Are You Serious? album. The HP50 is a higher energy, more alive-sounding headphone, but then I literally felt the HP70's ear-massaging deep bass with electronica wizard Aphex Twin's new Collapse EP. The HP70's visceral punch was much appreciated with this music, the HP50 was nowhere as powerful. The HP70 stereo imaging was average for a closed-back headphone. Since my iPhone 6s doesn't have aptX, I was concerned I wasn't hearing the HP70 at its best, so I also listened via the wired connection to bypass the Bluetooth and heard just a little difference between wired and wireless sound quality. Continuing with the HP50 and HP70 comparisons, I came to feel the HP50 was clearer and more transparent. Even when I used both as wired headphones plugged into my iPhone 6s headphone jack, I still preferred the HP50's smoother, less bass-emphasized tonal balance. I put the HP70's noise-canceling talents to the test in the New York City subway and was impressed with its ability to keep the din at bay. So I came away with mixed feelings about the NAD VISO HP70, mostly because the sound was just too rich for my taste. I prefer the HP50's leaner and clearer presentation, and it's significantly less expensive. As for the HP70's Bluetooth and noise cancelling, they worked well, no problems there. Too bad I didn't have a Bose Quiet Comfort QC35-2 noise-cancelling Bluetooth headphone on hand for comparison. It's the one to beat for noise abatement.